this is Mathologic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to find the value of infinity to the power 0 is what? Or actually can we find the value of infinity to the power 0? So let us find out. So if I consider a function x raised to the power 1 by x, the function x raised to the power 1 by x at x is equal to infinity, and if I put x is equal to infinity in this function, you all can see here the function takes the form infinity to the power 1 by infinity, which is actually infinity to the power 0. And what is this now? Let us find this. So I am taking the help of limits. So writing this as limit x tending to infinity x to the power 1 by x. Now we are not putting the value x is equal to infinity in the function, but now we are tending towards infinity. We are taking the value of x towards infinity. Okay, so to find this limit, we will just substitute y is equal to x to the power 1 by x, and taking log on both sides, we will get log y is equal to log of x to the power 1 by x. This means log y is equal to 1 over x log x, the simple property of logarithms, that you know that log a power b is equal to b log a. Okay, now taking anti-log on both sides, we will get y is equal to e raised to the power log x over x. Right, now we can substitute the function x raised to the power 1 by x by e raised to the power log x over x. So I'm writing this as limit x tending to infinity x to the power 1 by x as limit x tending to infinity e to the power log x over x. Right, now we know that the property of limits says if limit x tending to a of e to the power fx, we can write this as e raised to the power limit x tending to a of fx. Means we just need to simply find the limit of fx at the point. Okay, so using this property, I can write here e to the power limit x tending to infinity of log x over x. Now we all just need to do is to find the limit x tending to infinity of log x over x. Let us find this. We can do it in two ways. So I am doing it one by one. So first one is the simple one, which is L'Hopital rule. This rule says if you are having a limit of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you can just differentiate the numerator and the denominator to find the limit, or you can keep it doing until you get the limits. Okay, so in this rule we will write limit x tending to infinity of log x over x and the derivative of both in the numerator and the denominator. So we will get limit x tending to infinity, log x is 1 by x and x is 1, derivative of these functions. So this is simply limit x tending to infinity of 1 over x, which is equal to 1 over infinity, or you can say 0. So the value of this limit is 0. Now we can do this by squeeze theorem, or you can say sandwich theorem. This is also known as sandwich theorem. Now we will simply find two functions fx and gx such that this function is lying between these two functions at the point, and we will find the limit of both two functions, though you can say as then boundary functions. Okay, so I'm considering one as 0, since 0 is always less than any function. So 0 is less than log x, and log x is always less than root x. Okay, so this is a property of these functions. 0 is less than log x is less than root x. Now we can write the function, we can construct the function here that 0 over x is less than log x over x is less than root x over x. Now we can write this as 0 is less than log x over x is less than 1 over root x, since the left hand function is becomes 0, since 0 upon any number is 0. So now we just need to find the limit of this function. As you know that limit x tending to infinity 1 over root x is equal to 1 over root of infinity, which is again 1 over infinity and is equal to 0. So this lying between 0 and 0, this the limit of this function itself is equal to 0. So we can write limit x tending to infinity log x over x is equal to 0. By both these methods we have got the limit as equal to 0. Now we just need to put the value in the function, which was this one. So the limit x tending to infinity of e raised to the power 1 by x log x, or you can say limit x tending to infinity of e to the power log x over x is equal to e to the power 0, as the limit of these two functions is equal to 0. So e to the power 0 is 1. Since the zeroth power of any number is equal to 1, so the value of this limit is equal to 1. Now we can say that infinity to the power 0 is equal to 1, but in the way of limits, not in actual. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.